Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, October 28th. And you know what? This is like so full of ironies today. So last night I'm watching the third game of the World Series. And in the bottom of the 12th inning, the Fox News affiliate or the Fox channel here in Knoxville decided to cut the game and watch local news, which had already been done like an hour before and never came back to the rest of the ball game. Now, this is the exact reason why people should cut cable. They're garbage. They're morons. How do you do that? I mean, I don't even know what to say. I'm so angry. And I went to bed angry. I woke up angry. I'm still angry. Why would you do that? There's no reason to do that. It's just retarded. It's the most retarded thing I've ever seen or heard. Cut the game at the bottom of the 12th inning of the freaking World Series. But you know what? This is the way things work these days. Cable companies can't get out of their own way. They provide absolute garbage service. I have less channels now than I did, but I'm paying the same amount. The big box stores, Best Buy, Lowe's, Home Depot, have such little amounts of inventory. You go there and they don't have anything. They force you to go to Amazon and order off of Amazon because they don't carry anything. It's like, why would you feel bad about the big boxes going out of business when they don't carry any inventory anyway? It's just like, what is people thinking? If you're going to run a business, you have to at least provide what you say you're going to provide. And, if everybody wanted Walmart, then we'd all have Walmarts, right? Walmart has two choices of whatever, and that's all you get. And I get it. It's cheap, and they fulfill their mission. Nobody else seems to do that. Like, what is going on? I don't know. Well, here we are at the market, and market just keeps going up. What is going on? It's just this crazy, keep going up. New all-time highs. Why? No reason. Government shut down. It's crazy. So what do we got going on today? Well, 9 a.m. we've got the Case-Shiller's Composite Housing Index at 9 a.m. We also have the House Pricing Index. That's tentative. At 10 a.m. we have the Richmond Manufacturing Index and tentative, the CB Consumer Confidence. And that is it during market hours. At 4:30, we have API Weekly Statistical Bulletin, and that is it for the day. So none of these are red items. We got a couple of orange items. The Richmond Manufacturing Index is interesting because it does give us what's going on in the southern states when it comes to manufacturing. And of course, the CB Consumer Confidence. Consumers consume, spend, drive 70+% of the economy. So that is also an important number. So we'll just wait and see what's going on there. Looking at charts, you can see we had this giant gap up yesterday. We closed up near the highs and we're gapping up again. Now, I talked briefly yesterday about an island formation. This is called, or could be called, a island reversal. And it's where you get a giant gap up and then the next day you get a gap down and you get this one candle isolated. So it's like an island, and it's usually a reversal pattern. Now, you can have multiple bars up here create a island that's not a single bar, but maybe multiple bars. So if we end up getting a gap down back into this area some other time and it isolates this little group, that could still be considered an island reversal pattern. So maybe not. Volume, pathetic. Yeah. So continue to be poor volume. We're above all the moving averages. We're at all-time highs. I'll have to move that up to the all-time high now is right there. So there you have it. Moving on. Looking at the inventory. Inventory was positive on positive price action. Yay, everything's wonderful. How long can we keep going with PE ratios way above historical averages? It's just a mess. But hey, trade what you see, not what you think, right? Hey, I want to say that again. Trade what you see, not what you think. Oh, here we are again. This is the overnight action, approximately 17 points. Let's see, maybe more than that. Nope, 17 points. Where do we have support and resistance? I don't know. Why? Because we're in uncharted territory. once again. So I got absolutely nothing on the top side except some really far out Fibonacci extensions, 69.39. There's another one way up high at 69.66. Where do we have support? At the overnight low here, 69.01. So 6,900, that's a psychological number. We've also got some levels here, 68.87, 68.68, 68.50, 68.40. Those are your support and resistance levels for today. Stock Traders Almanac, 57.1, 57.1% that the market will be up today based on historics from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great day, and I hope you got to watch all 18 innings of the third game of the World Series. I didn't, and I'm still pissed about it. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.